Woo! Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. And today we're going to be talking about something a little different that needs to be said. So stay tuned. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. And today we're gonna get pretty serious because this needs to be said. So let's get right into it, guys. Yo, this needs to be said. First off, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am a business owner, and I'm sharing information with you. I'm sharing information that I find valuable to me, and I'm passing it on to you. What you do with that information is completely up to you. Now, having that said, cryptocurrency is a very volatile and new, space. I don't recommend spending any money, investing any money that you are not willing to lose because, like I said, crypto is very volatile. I've been in this game for quite some time now. So, the money that I'm investing in these tokens and stuff like that, it's money that I'm willing to lose. It's not going to hurt me if I get rugged or if I do anything like that. So, that's why I experiment with these crap coins and stuff like that to see what's going on, to see if they have any potential and to lose my money so that you guys don't have to. If you guys choose to take the risk with me and you end up losing money with me, that's on you guys. That's on you. If that money was something that you needed in the near future, that's on you. I always recommend not investing more money than you can lose. That anybody you talk to that's been investing for a long time, they're going to tell you the same thing. You don't invest what you're not willing to lose. That's just the name of the game. With no risk, there's no reward. That's just how it works. But, if the risk is going to put you out of house and home, you don't need to be doing it. You need to just invest a little portion in stable coins and just shut up. That's it. But if you're going to whine and bitch and complain that, you're losing money because these crap coins and this and that, like I said, dude, that's on you. That's completely on you. I'm going to keep recommending stuff that I get into. And if I lose money on it, I'm going to lose money on it. But, that's why my channel is here. Like I said, so you don't have to. So quit your bitching, quit your complaining, grow some balls and invest your money. If you can't do it, you can't do it. Stick to, stable coins. This is for the risky business here. So if you're not risky, you're not willing to, do what you got to do, that's on you, guys. That's on you. But if you have the money, if you have the extra money and you're willing to invest and take the risk and do what you got to do, that's awesome. That's also on you. Some of these tokens hit, some of them don't. If you look at the past record of these tokens, majority of launches, there's literally one pattern. It goes up and then it goes down. Where do you make your money? You make your money in the pre-sale. You buy the tokens, the token rises, you sell. Everybody knows this. If the token has utility, it's going to come back up. It'll eventually, it's a deflationary token, it's going to come back up. You just buy the bag later on again, after. But if you don't know this stuff, then, like I said, that's just on you guys. This is not elementary Crypto 101. If it's elementary Crypto 101, I will put it in the title. But if it doesn't say Crypto 101 in the title, it's, some more advanced stuff. And if you're just not there yet, you just need to do more research. Okay? That's it, guys. That's going to do it for today. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Do all those things that the YouTubers tell you to do, and let's make some more money, guys. Peace!